Welcome! If you're tired of getting constant push notifications about your friends' activities on your Facebook page, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to disable those notifications on your PC, following the latest Facebook update. It's quick, simple, and will help you take control of your notification settings once and for all. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. A menu will appear. From here, select the page you want to manage. Click on the page profile photo to enter your page's dashboard. This is where you can customize all your page settings. Next, look for the Settings and Privacy option. Click on it and then select Settings. This will open up a new menu with all the different settings you can adjust for your page. Now, find the Notifications tab on the left sidebar and click on it. This section controls all the notifications you receive for your page. Scroll down until you see Updates from Friends. This is the setting that sends you push notifications whenever your friends interact with your page or perform certain activities. To stop these notifications, simply toggle off the switch next to Push. Once you do this, you'll no longer receive push notifications about your friends' activities on your page. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Friends' Activities push notifications on your Facebook page using your PC. No more interruptions, just the updates you actually care about. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your quieter, more focused Facebook experience.